In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add and remove earned leave rules in Zoho People. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to create an earned leave rule by adding a leave policy using the fixed entitlement option, which is the most common setup for earned leave. First, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Zoho People keeps the administrative options for attendance, leave, and policy controls. Inside Settings, look for the Leave and Attendance section and select Leave Tracker. Leave Tracker is the area where you define how leave types work, who they apply to, and how balances are granted and managed. Once you are in Leave Tracker, move to the left sidebar and click Leave Policy. This page lists your existing leave policies and gives you the tools to create new ones or update what you already have. Now, click the plus Add Leave Policy button. This begins the setup process for a new policy. When Zoho People asks for the policy type, choose Fixed Entitlement. This option is typically used when employees receive a defined amount of leave, such as a set number of days per year or per period, and it is commonly used for earned leave configurations. Next, in the name field, enter Earned Leave. Keep the name clear and consistent, especially if you have multiple leave types, because this is the label employees and administrators will recognize later. After naming the policy, configure the entitlement and applicability settings. Entitlement controls how much leave is granted and how it is allocated. Applicability defines who the policy applies to, such as certain departments, locations, roles, or employee groups. Take a moment to double-check these settings, because they determine who receives earned leave and how their balances are calculated. When you are satisfied with the configuration, click Submit or Save to finalize the policy. After saving, it is a good idea to quickly confirm that the new earned leave policy appears in your leave policy list, so you know it is active and available for use. To remove an earned leave rule later, you will return to this same leave policy area, locate the earned leave policy you created, and use the available remove or delete option for that policy, depending on your account permissions. And that is all there is to it.